Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack GATE and ESC with India's largest learning platform. And in this class, we will discuss about top 7 mistakes to avoid in GATE and ESC examination. Okay, this is my Telegram ID and this is my group ID. So you can join me on Telegram. Okay, so if you have not downloaded an Academy learning app, so please do that and follow me. So there you will get all the detail about the free classes and the free courses. So special classes is the free classes which you can assume as the demo for a particular subject where all the educator teach for 1 hour and they just teach a particular topic in that 1 hour, and plus course is a paid subscription. So I will tell you about the paid subscription later on. Okay, so this is my brief profile. I have teaching for last 15 years for the GATE and the ESC examination. I have mentored more than 1 lakh GATE and the ESC students only. Okay, I am the faculty and the director of GATE Forum Jaipur. This is my referral code which you can use to buy any Unacademy subscription course, okay, or subscription program. So there you will get an instant discount of 10%, and I will provide you a test series of what 1200 rupees for the GATE. Okay, if you are opting for 1 year or the 2 year subscription. Okay, now these are some of my courses which I have taken on Unacademy. Okay, so you can find the detail on Unacademy learning app. Also, these are the free classes which I have already taken. So every class is a particular topic. So we complete a topic in a class. Okay, so these are all the classes detail. Okay, so you can go to my profile page and there you will find the detail of all the special classes I have taken. Now, so what the subscription program, if you are a third year student or appearing in the GATE 2021, okay, so then this is the 1 year program is best for you. So the cost of 1 month program is 5,000 and the cost of 12-month program, which is a 5 times, which is equal to 25,000. This is the cheapest and the most economical course. Okay, because you will find the video courses by all the top educator. Then you can revise any number of time. There would be test and the quizzes. Okay, there would be the other strategy classes also. Okay, and once you are opting for the course, you can use my referral code which is a live DSG. So once you apply this code, you will get instant discount of 10%. So effective cost would be 22,500, and additionally I will provide you a test series of the worth 1200 rupees. Okay, and once you have purchased, then please send me the proof on either this WhatsApp number on the Telegram ID, so I can just activate your test series. Okay, now, so about the class, today's class, what is the topic we are going to cover? We are going to cover 7 common mistakes students make and how to avoid each mistake. So I'm not just telling you the problem only, I am just trying to tell you how to solve these problems. Okay, so ये general problem है. This is not particular to any particular exam, but we will discuss with respect to the GATE. First, we are saying no proper analysis of the exam. Second, we are saying too much of the study material. So you have collected और आपने बहुत सारा study material कर लिया. Then we are saying no self analysis. Then we are saying no proper study plan, no time management. Then we are saying mock test and the fear. Okay, so I am going to discuss each one by one. So there is no order. We cannot say which one is the most important, but we are saying you can arrange according to your preference. For some people, the most important may be taking a mock test. For some people, it is most important is no time management. Some people, it is very important to analyze the exam. Okay, self analysis. So every problem is significant. ओके तो आप ये सारी प्रॉब्लम में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हाउ टू अवॉइड दिस लेट्स सी. So first starting with analysis of the examination. So if you see what we are saying, the most important thing, what is the exam all about? How to prepare about the exam and when we should prepare for the exam. Generally लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता है. If they are like most of the people will fill the exam because sake of filling. Okay, some people are filling. So what we are saying, what is the problem? What is the all exam about? So if you don't know about the exam, first know about the exam. Okay, what is the structure, what they are looking for, okay, what is the quality they are looking for, what do you need, to qualify that exam. Okay, so what is the pattern, what is the subject, what is the syllabus? That is about the what. Second, we are saying how to prepare. Okay, should I go for the study material? Should I go for the coaching or the institute? Should I go only for the self study? Should I take the tuition? Okay, what is this? That is the second question. Third, when to prepare. When is the best time to prepare? How much should I study? What are the resources? Okay, all these are three questions. So generally people don't analyze it. So many people don't analyze the exam, just they study in the random manner. Okay, so this is the first problem and the first mistake the people do. They don't find the answer of these three questions. Okay, so let's see. Now I am telling you the solution of the each problem. What? First, it is very important before applying any examination, you should know the structure of the exam. So structure means, suppose we are saying GATE is what? GATE is an exam which is an objective type. Now we are saying ESE is the objective time as a preliminary, and then we are saying conventional. Okay, so that is a sub. What is the pattern of the examination? Okay, how this the pattern is changed for the yes, we are saying ESE is changed from the last 3 years. Okay, is there a new change? What are the current changes in the examination? What is the syllabus of the examination? How much should we study? So like we will talk about the GATE, we will say if you are engineering graduate, so we will say first year, second year, third year and the fourth year. We are just dividing. So if you see the, if you have studied till third year, so you have covered 80% of the GATE syllabus. Okay, now if you have completed the fourth year, so definitely you have completed everything of the syllabus. Maybe there are some subject which you have studied as an optional, they are very important. Maybe some subject which are not important but you have studied. Okay, so what you should know, what is the every subject syllabus? Okay, what they ask, like generally we will say GATE, you should know the fundamentals and how to apply the fundamental. Okay, because in one particular question they will ask more than two topics, so you should know about these things. So means this is the pattern of the examination. This is not a very simple examination, it is objective, but there is also numerical response type of question also. Okay, like this is not in the ESE examination. So this is the answer of the what. So you should go a thorough research before start preparation for the examination. Now second, we are saying how. Find the resources. Now if you can see, there are plenty of resources available online and the offline. Okay, so what we are saying, the resources means, first, what are the books you should study, then what is the study material, how should we collect the study material, then the video or the audio if you are finding, and any other resource if you think that it is important for your examination. So we are saying, so the best part is what you can take the guidance. This is guidance is very important. We will say guidance of any person who is your senior, already taken the test, maybe from the teacher who was teaching or the friend who are preparing for that. Okay, there should not be any hesitation. You should always consult with the, but don't consult with everyone. Okay, select the people who have already clear or who have enough experience. That will, their experience will tell you how to get exam ready and how to ace in the examination, because they have already taken the test or maybe they are guiding the people for the test. Okay, so how is very important. Okay, now when, so we will say start as early as possible and do not procrastinate. means इसको लंबे समय के लिए, ये नहीं कि मैं कल स्टार्ट करूंगा, अगले महीने से स्टार्ट करूंगा, अभी तो मेरे एग्जाम है. ओके, वी विल से start if you are serious. So like if I will give you the examination, I used to teach for the UPSC IAS examination. Okay, so the UPSC, the most of the people who are serious, they start from the second year only. Okay, like my roommate, he is a now is a IRS officer. He started in this graduation final year. Okay, so means he started and he started for the 3 years, then he was able to crack the examination. Okay, so he has taken enough time to prepare. So start as early as possible. So if you are delaying, it is not going to benefit. And definitely if you are serious, then you should start as soon as you know. Okay, तो आपको wait करना पड़ेगा. What? Because we are saying you already know what, you already know how. So we should say start as soon as possible. Do not procrastinate. means ऐसा कभी ना हो कि आप सिंपल सा व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर सेइंग अगले महीने से स्टार्ट करूंगा, एग्जाम खत्म हो जाए, एग्जाम का रिजल्ट अच्छा है, ओके, इट विल नॉट हैम्पर एनी अदर थिंग. Or definitely if you are preparing for the GATE and the ESE examination, definitely your university grade would also going to improve. Okay, so once you are preparing for any GATE or ESE, definitely your marks would be improved in the university examination also. Now second, the what people do, too much of the study material. मुझे क्या पढ़ना है, okay, then how much, what is the depth of the subject I should go, then where to find the latest study material, and then should I collect everything available. So most of the people have this problem. What they will say, they will collect everything. Okay, so they have for the ESC, they have the material of the 10 institute. Okay, all the top institute, we are saying they will have the material of the 10 institute. They have 5 books for the each subject. Okay, then they will say where should I start, which material, where should I start. Okay, कौन सी बुक पहले पढ़ना है, what should be the structure, how should we start. Okay, now this is the problem. Okay, because there is plenty of the material available in the net, online, offline. Okay, also resources are what, the free resources are there. So let's see how to avoid this type of problem. So first thing we will say, study one standard book. I will suggest one. If you are going, then go for maximum 2 book and the study material from the any good institute. Why? Because there are the institute, they are doing a research, they are especially oriented for particular examination. So this is very important for you. So what they have prepared, everything study material that depends how their result. Okay, and they have analyzed the exam more than anyone else. So you can choose a study material of any 1 or 2 institute and follow that for any particular subject. Always start with the basic, and the basic you can always understand by the standard book, because in the study material most of the time you will find the crisp. Okay, so that would be very compact. So if you want to go for the basic detail, basic fundamental, then always start with the standard book. Okay, now it is always better to read a one book many times rather than many book one times. Okay, because once you are studying a book, your fundamental would be clear, and when you are revising again and again, so that will build your fundamental solid. ओके, सो मीन्स आपको अपने फंडामेंटल को सॉलिड करना है, तो उसका सबसे अच्छा रीज़न है, किसी भी कंसेप्ट को आप कई बार पढ़ेंगे, अप्लाई करेंगे, दे विल अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट वेरी वेल. Now read according to the weightage. Okay, how much should you be read? If the weightage is more, if it is definitely the link subject, then we will say it is very important. Like I will say, simply if you will say fluid mechanics or mechanics is for the mechanical and so. Okay, so for the mechanical, these are the fundamental subjects, civil. Similarly for the EC, we will say control, then we will say network. Everybody should know these subjects. These are the fundamental subjects, so always start with that. Okay, and these are the link subjects which are very important. So if the weightage is more, you should devote more time. Okay, and how you will help in this one, we will say analyze the syllabus, because the syllabus is already there, you know the weightage of the subject. Okay, so then according to that you should prepare for any particular subject. Okay, do not collect everything available in the market. If you are collecting everything, you will have so much data and you will confuse what should you study. Check for the latest thing. If there is a new thing is coming in the market, only if the new changes the pattern of the examination. Okay, version naye aate rehte hain, that will not help you a lot. Simply stick to the fundamental. Read basic, apply the in your study material. Okay, and just practice. That is very important. Okay, now the third, a break problem, the people, they don't self-analyze. What is the meaning of that? They don't know their weakness or the strength. Okay, what is their habit, how they are good in a particular subject. Now learning style, they don't know how they will understand method of study, which method of study you should follow, what is the duration of study. कोई बोलता है मैं 10 घंटे रोज पढ़ता हूँ, कोई बोलता है मैं 6 घंटे रोज पढ़ता हूँ. Okay, what are the timing, should I study in the morning, should I study in the evening. Okay, all these are the question. The learning style, then follow blindly anyone. अगर आप suppose, I am not saying blindly follow to me also, always analyze yourself. Blindly anyone का मतलब है किसी ने कहा कि 5 घंटे पढ़ो, ये अच्छा तरीका है, this is a memory based technique. Okay, so don't follow blindly anyone. तो अगर 10 लोग हैं, you are following 10 people, then definitely you are going to spoil your time and waste your time. ओके, नो इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ एनी लर्निंग स्टाइल। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इवैल्यूएशन? मुझे नहीं पता कि मेरे नोट्स ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं वीडियो देखता हूँ तो ज़्यादा समझ में आता है। ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट, नो इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ योर लर्निंग स्टाइल। सो हाउ टू improve that? First thing, analyze your strength, be honest to yourself because nobody knows you better than anyone else. What is the meaning of that? You know your habits. तो इसका मतलब है, are you capable to study for 4 hours continuously? Are you capable of 8 hours continuously? Okay, so that's why we always say कि study in a basically smart manner. Okay, ये नहीं है कि आप cramming will not help any examination, either GATE or ESC, because they are always the application based exam. You should know the fundamental, but you should know how to apply. You should know your strength in the subject. Definitely if you are getting 90% every time in a particular subject, definitely you are good in that. And these, so be honest to yourself, then only you will be better in your self evaluation. Okay, so let's see. If I will say my study, I can study 2 hours, okay, in a stretch. So I will take a break, then I will do that. Okay, then I will initially first 7 days I will study for only 4 hours, then I will just increase my capacity. Next 7 days I will say I will go to the 5 hours. Don't go for 4 to 8 hours. Okay, आप इतना ज़्यादा नहीं करें कि एग्जॉस्ट हो जाए. Okay, so that's why it is your strength and it is your weakness, so you should know, okay, that thing. Now the next part is a learning style, because some people are good in the visual, some people are good in the audio. Okay, so learn in the variety of the different way. Why? Because it will help. सपोज कई लोगों को केवल बुक्स से समझ में आता है, कई लोगों को वीडियो देख के समझ में आता है, कईयों को पिक्चर से समझ में आता है. Okay, so these are the different learning style. So we will say always try to use the different variety of the style. Like try to make a flash card, जिसको आप बोल सकते हो फ्लैश कार्ड. वन कार्ड, इसमें आपने फॉर्मूले लिख लिए मैथ के या फिर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूले लिख लिए. माइंड मैप, यू आर मेकिंग अ what pictorial view. So this is the process we are using this one. Record yourself speaking of the notes. Okay, some people learned by listening. Okay, but keep up the variety. Okay, once you are doing the variety of the things, you will understand which is the most beneficial, and this will be give you the better evaluation of your preparation strategy. Okay, ये आपको initial months में करना है, और once you are comfortable with these are going to help you a lot. Okay, then we are saying active learning. Study, explain, highlight, group discussion. What we mean? Always study in a different way. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि आपने स्टडी में बहुत बड़ा ब्रेक ले लिया. You take a break, but don't take a big break. Explain means whatever the concept you understand, explain to your peers or your friends. Okay, so it is better to take a help of the friend, but it is not means gossiping every time. Highlight is the content which are important, because you know which are the component. So we will say which are the concept which are important. Highlight means these are important, so means use the color pen or the different way to highlight the things. And the group discussion, once you have learned a particular things, then just see by the discussion with your peers if you are comfortable with that particular subject, or the new thing or something else is remaining in that particular subject. Okay, now make a writing habit. This is very important, because most of the people what they read only. If you are not having a writing habit, then definitely it will create the problem in the ECE main examination. आपने जब तक लिखने की आदत नहीं डालोगे, you don't know how to write good. Okay, so once you are writing many times, then you will be good or you will be improve yourself. अगर आपकी राइटिंग हैबिट नहीं है, बहुत लोगों की होती है, दे डोंट मेक द स्टडी नोट्स, दे हैव द बिग प्रॉब्लम वेन एवर राइटिंग अ big paper, 3 hour long paper, they have to write conventional, they have the problem. So writing habit you have to start as soon as possible. अगर आप नहीं लिखते हो तो please start writing. Now another problem is what the people is what this is a big mistake people do. They don't make a proper study plan. So what is the meaning है, what is the use of the study plan? मैं तो ऐसे ही पढ़ लेता हूँ. I study what 10 hours sometime. Okay, sometime I study a one book in a 2 days only. How to make a proper study plan? I don't know how to make a study plan. what should cover in the study plan. Okay, no evaluation of the study plan. हमने study plan तो बना लिया, लेकिन मैं बोलता हूँ मैं evaluate कैसे करूँ, इसका फ़ायदा क्या होगा. Okay, study notes क्यों बनाऊँ. Okay, why there is a different notes, I should make a detailed notes or the short note. Okay, so these are all the questions relating the study plan. So if you are not doing any of these things, okay, then you are getting a big problem in your main examination. So let's see. What is the solution? Always measure. So what is the purpose of the study plan? It will measure your progress, means how well you are doing, and an idea for the implementation. So I have break the examination in what I am saying, simply these three things. We are saying study, check, check means apply, revise. If nothing comes, I will say then again go to the study. So means your proper study plan will break your complete strategy into the different portion, and then according to that you can improve your strategy or you can make your plan better. Okay, now it should be measurable. Measurable का मतलब है मैं बोलूँगा study hard. No, this is not measurable. What I should say, I will study 4 hours daily. Okay, which time I will study, that should be clear. Okay, I should, okay, clear means there should be not ambiguity. I am reading a subject, I will read 2 subjects. No, which subject? Suppose I am from EC brand, I am saying first I will study signal and system, then I will say network. Okay, so these are the 2 subjects I am going to study. Achievable means I am not saying first, पहले तो मैं कभी पढ़ता नहीं था, अब मैंने सीधे से पढ़ लिया 12 hours a day. No, your plan should be always achievable. So write down, suppose I will say only 2 chapters in 3 days. So I am saying this is the achievable plan. If I am studying for 12 hours, I can achieve this plan. Okay, so that should be achievable. अगर आपका plan, study plan achievable नहीं है, that will create a big problem. It will demotivate you. Okay, so that is a very important. Now, evaluate using different parameter. Okay, so goal you have achieved. So means आपने एक प्लान बनाया. सपोज यू आर इनिशियल फेज ऑफ द स्टडी प्लान. मैंने एक गोल बनाया, तो मैं बोलता हूँ मुझे 5 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ लेने चाहिए in 10 days. Now this is what not achievable. So let's see, come to the 2 subjects. Can you achieve that in 10 days? Have you achieved that? Yes, perfectly fine. Have you overachieved that? So always check if you have overachieved, underachieved, or you are perfect. Okay, so that will strengthen your study plan. So तभी आप उसको follow कर पाएंगे. Okay, progress on your performance. How to check the progress? We will always go by the testing. Okay, आपने फंडामेंटल बिल्ड किया, नाउ योर द सेकंड सब्जेक्ट इज टोटली रिलेटेड टू द फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट, सो दैट विल टेल योर परफॉर्मेंस. Okay, so evaluation is what your score will be evaluate, the number of hours you have studied, that will evaluate. Okay, the subject, how much subject you have covered, these are the, we are saying parameter to achieve. Okay, how much hour you have studied, how many hours in a day you have studied. Okay, which day you have studied more. Okay, so these are the parameters. Now, we will say your study plan should be specific to your examination. Why? Because you are applying for a particular examination. I am saying GATE and the ESE. So we are saying which time should you read that particular subject. So I will say morning I will read particular subject, evening I will read particular subject, and we are saying afternoon particular subject. How many hours? That is up to you. Okay, you should take a break. Yeah, that is very good. Okay, what we are saying, you have to study, you have to test, you have to analyze. Okay, once you have done a subject, always take a test and analyze your performance. Okay, so if you want to do something else, means आपका study plan का मतलब ही है related to study. It is not related to any other thing. That we will do in the time management part. Then always make study notes. Why? Because these are very helpful. You cannot study a 250 pages book. That will be understandable by only the 100 page which you have made. Okay, and the short notes, why? Because they will be very helpful for the revision. Okay, so now we are saying the important concepts. Short notes are very important for the concept building as well as your revision part. So revision is a very important thing. And we are saying follow study plan religiously. Means अगर आपने study plan बनाया नहीं है और आप study plan को केवल implement नहीं कर रहे, केवल बना रहे हैं, You are changing your study plan every now and then. There is no use of the study plan. And the no distraction when study. What is the meaning of that? आप जब भी study plan बनाएं, there are so many distraction nowadays. We will say online, people on the social side. So just take a pledge. If I am studying, I will not use the internet or anything else. I will not go for the TV or whatever. So this, there should not be any distraction. Or this is the personal experience, and by my many of my students, they say whenever we study, we don't use the mobile phone. This is a big distraction these days. Okay, so you can see this slide. So always follow your study plan religiously. So then only you will, that is a benefit of making a study plan and the purpose of making the study plan. Okay. Now the evaluation of study plan, this will be done. First we are saying you are making a study plan and you are studying according to that. Then once you have done, we will say revise. Sorry, it should be what? This should be revise, should be here. We are saying next what we will say analyze. If you are not getting anything, we will say again study. So we are saying study, revise, analyze. So these are going in the cycle. Okay, always analyze will tell you, analysis will tell you how you have done well, or which is the your weakness, which is your strength. Okay, how more time should you devote. Okay, so that's why we are saying this is a cycle. Always study, revise, analysis, then study, revise, analysis. Okay, analysis is done by the testing only. Clear? And don't give a big gap. सपोज मैंने एक सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा सिग्नल सिस्टम, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने आज पढ़ा उसके बाद मैं 4 महीने बाद पढ़ूंगा. सो आई विल से आई विल जस्ट रिवाइज आफ्टर सम टाइम. ओके, सो रिवाइज रेगुलरली. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. You have to revise regularly, then only you will. So the more you revise, the more you will understand the concept and more you will build your fundamentals. Okay, so that is very important. Now the next big problem is, or the big mistake, people don't manage their time properly. Okay, what is the meaning of that? What they will say, they don't have the enough time. मेरे पास उतना time नहीं, अगर मैं पहले तैयारी करता then it would be better. Should I read 12 to 15 hours a day to achieve my target? Should not do any other activities? मुझे कुछ और नहीं करना चाहिए, केवल पढ़ना चाहिए. Balance between the different activities. अगर मैं पढ़ता हूँ तो मैं खेल नहीं पाता हूँ, और अगर मैं खेलता हूँ तो मैं पढ़ नहीं पाता हूँ. Okay, wasting too much time on the planning. I am planning for the last 1 month but I cannot start. Okay, so these are the problem with your time management. Okay, so what is the solution of that? Let's see the first thing. Start early. Early means as soon as you have decided to take the exam. Whenever the day you have decided to take the exam, then that is your first day to start preparing. Create a timetable to distribute time among the essential. Essential means which are very compulsory, and non-essential. So I'm saying watching a movie, roaming around with a friend is a non-essential activity. So what portion I'm going to devote? Essential means it's a sleep is an essential thing. Okay, food and the necessary, we are saying this is essentially. Then we are saying study, and then non-essential roaming around. So how much time I will give you? So roaming around. So what is the portion I am going to give for the non-essential and the essential? This is your time management. Okay, so there should be proper planning and you should stick to that. Second, study hours and the duration depends on your capacity. I am not saying आपको सुबह पढ़ना चाहिए, you should go in the evening, morning. Some people study in the evening, they are doing very well. Okay, कई लोग होते हैं नाइट पर्सन होते हैं, कई लोग होते हैं मॉर्निंग पर्सन होते हैं. इट डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन the timing, it depends on the you, how you study. Okay, again for the capacity, some people study 6 to 8 hours regularly, but it is very good to take a break. If you can study for 6 to 8 hours, it is more than sufficient. If you are starting early, so 6 to 8 hours is more than sufficient to crack any examination, either the ESC or the GATE. Okay, now it is important to take a rest, means you should exercise daily. Non-essential is not very important. Maybe in 7 days, we are saying take only 1 day for the roaming around, for the movie, everything, for the refreshment. Okay, try to study in a break. Okay, if you cannot study for the 2 hours completely, you will study for the half an hour, take a 5-minute break, then half an later on, just increase your capacity or stretch your capacity to. Okay, generally हर कोई बोलता है just study for the research age. If you study for 2 hours and take a break of 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so means break are very important for the refreshment of mind, also for the revision and for grasping of the, अगर आप केवल 8 घंटे पढ़ ही रहे हो, then you are not understanding the thing. Okay, so that is very important. So break are very important. Health. So this is not H. The spelling is wrong. Health. Health is very important. You should not skip any meals. कई लोग कम खाते हैं, ज़्यादा वो ग्लूकॉन डी और उस पर डिपेंड करते हैं. नो, यू शुड नेवर स्किप योर मील, बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर हेल्दी and your brain is working properly, then it is a beneficial to take a test, or a beneficial, or means we will say then only you can do well in the test. Exercise daily means you can take exercise of 10 minutes only, you can exercise 30 minutes only, do yoga only, do any meditation exercise. Okay, but do for 10 to 30 minutes, we will say 30 minutes is sufficient, at least 10 minutes in a break also, maybe 3 times do the exercise. Okay, relaxation is very important, and you have to be refreshed before preparing. Okay, and do not waste such time on the planning. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप केवल प्लानिंग प्लानिंग कर रहे हो. एक्ट, अगर आपने improve नहीं किया, act and improve means this is again is a, we are saying this is a cyclic process. So I am just, we are saying, so just act on the your timetable and improve. If you are thinking, you can change your timetable anytime, because it is not hard and fast, you are flexible. Okay, so आपको लगता है ये प्रोसेस काम नहीं कर रहा, जस्ट ट्राई टू चेंज. ऐसा नहीं कि आप ड्रास्टिक चेंज करें, हमेशा इंप्रूव करने के लिए चेंज कीजिए. वेन एवर यू आर सेइंग मोर टाइम मैनेजमेंट का मतलब है, अगर कुछ आपके पास नॉन एसेंशियल थिंग में पहले 4 घंटे दे रहे थे, आप 2 घंटे दीजिए. ओके, स्टडी में आपने कहा आपकी कैपेसिटी बढ़ गई है, तो इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ आवर. ओके, so this way means don't plan only. Okay, act and improve. Now the most important mistake the people do, they don't take the mock test. What is the important mock test they say? Okay, they will take only, or this is what, or a few tests. Either they are taking no mock test or the few mock test. No seriousness in the taking the mock test. Taken but not evaluated. Taken but not evaluated means they have not analyzed. Now what is the importance of the mock test? Now understand, it is very important. I will say the most important. What? They are true reflection of your progress and your preparation. So if you are not taking a mock test, nobody knows how well you are doing. Okay, and it will also motivate you. If you are doing well, it will motivate you. If you are not doing well, then it will demotivate you. Okay, but definitely it's a true reflection, so it will help you in any way. Now analysis would tell you the weakness for a particular subject, so give enough time to the rectify these problems. Okay, they are mostly prepared by the, means all the institute which are preparing or which are teaching the people for the last so many years. So definitely it will give you the competition amongst the peer, or also we will say it will tell you the latest pattern, and that will give you again the real life environment. Okay, always take the test in the real life environment, there should be seriousness, then only it will reflect. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि 5 क्वेश्चन अभी कर लिए, 10 क्वेश्चन बाद में किए, 20 क्वेश्चन उसके बाद किए. नो, you should be take a test in a real examination environment and take in a one stretch. Okay, now the always follow strategy. First take the subject test. Okay, subject test can be divided in the topic test, then the subject test, and then we will say the full length test. Okay, so that should be the strategy. One by one you should follow each. Will help. Okay, now the mock test will help you to make a proper test taking strategy and the time management. कई लोग हैं 3 घंटे बैठ ही नहीं पाते because they have not taken the test, and it is enough to take a 10 mock test. We will say 10 mock tests are more than sufficient for any examination. तो अगर आप बोलते हो सिंपल से ESC में वे बोलते हैं conventional, you should take the conventional also. For the GATE we are saying that is only objective, so 10 mock tests are sufficient. Okay, and initially take subject wise test, then the full length test, and the check your performance. Always check your performance. Why? Because if you are not performing well, you have to change your strategy. Okay, that is very important in case of, so this is the most important part of any test preparation strategy. Now the mistake done by the people which create a big problem. Okay, fear to fail. क्या होगा अगर मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा, मेरी नौकरी नहीं लगी, लोग मुझे क्या क्या कहेंगे. ओके, फियर ऑफ रिजेक्शन मीन्स लोग मुझे कैसा कहेंगे, बेवकूफ़ तो नहीं समझेंगे, व्हाट द पीपल विल हेल्प और नॉट. ओके, टू मच थिंकिंग अबाउट द रिजल्ट. ओके, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रिजल्ट, यू आर नॉट अबाउट द प्रिपरेशन. ओके, स्ट्रेटेजी से आपको मतलब नहीं, आप रिजल्ट के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. नो लॉन्ग टर्म, इससे क्या होगा अगर मैं नहीं लूँगा तो. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज़ द सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट थिंग, motivate yourself with the result means just meet with the people or just see yourself as a the person who has already cleared the examination. It will boost your motivation. Okay, self esteem, everything. So just see the result and motivate yourself. So forget about the fear. Nobody will, or we will say nobody like success, get the success in one go only. Okay, people have to practice, and there are lots of fear for the people of failure. That's why most of the people never start. So always start, forget about the failure. Okay, everybody will fail sometime. You have to focus on the strategy and the learning would be an outcome. Okay, so अगर आपको मान लीजिए आप नहीं भी पास हुए, that is a second thing, but learning would be there. ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि people have started preparing for any big examination, they are prepared well and they don't know anything. Okay, definitely learning will be the outcome and it will improve you in some way. पढ़ाई कभी बेकार नहीं जाती है. You will never, means we cannot say study will never spoil you. It will always be beneficial in some way. Do not hesitate to ask for the help. You can take the help of the person, maybe we can say any friend. Ask from the friend, ask from the faculties. Okay, ask from the people who are already selected, IAS PSU peoples. Okay, go to the college, suppose you want to the clear gate and go to the IIT, just visit IIT. Okay, see the environment, meet the person who have already cracked the examination. Okay, don't hesitate. अगर आप मदद मांगेंगे नहीं तो कोई नहीं करेगा. There are so many people there. Okay, and because of the internet era, so everybody is having the resource to get the help. Okay, you should find a true mentor. Okay, every goal is achievable with the dedication, the proper planning. If you are doing a proper planning and you are doing it with dedication, definitely you are going to achieve every goal. Okay, so तभी तो लोग ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई यूपीएससी नहीं करते. If you see the result, I am just giving you the data. Most of the people who are qualified for the UPSC, means either for the ESC examination we will say or the CSE civil examination, they are always for the good first division. Means most of the people are having the percentage between 55 to 75, or we can say 50 to 75. These are the people who are doing well because they are having the dedication and the proper planning. You have to have the planning. Okay, without planning you cannot crack the examination. Okay, this is the big motivation. You just meet the, ऐसा नहीं है कि टॉपर ही IAS बनते हैं, टॉपर ही आपके ES बनते हैं. Okay, the people who are having a goal and the dedication, they always achieve the goal. एंड नो सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर द हार्ड वर्क. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आप कितने इंटेलिजेंट हो सकता है आपने एक एग्जाम पास कर लिया. नॉट एवरी एग्जामिनेशन यू कैन डू बाय द विदाउट हार्ड वर्क. यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. सो देयर इज नो सब्स्टिट्यूट. ओके, एंड मेक स्मॉल गोल. इफ यू आर थिंकिंग दैट द बिग गोल इज व्हाट नॉट अचीवेबल, so just make a goal for the 1 month only. Or everybody says every day at least plan for the next day if you are going. Or everybody says, okay, so every means you will find the motivational thing, the most of the people say you should plan every day. But I will say, if you are not planning for the day, at least plan for a week or the month, what you are going to cover in this month or this week. Okay, it will take maximum 5 minutes. Okay, so means once you are woke up in the morning or once you are going to sleep, these are the 2 times when you can make your plan. Okay, and achieve them. Try to achieve your goal because it will motivate you a lot. And appreciate your small achievements. Okay, if you have done a course, suppose I am saying I have 4 units I have to do, I have completed 2 units, so give you a party. Okay, small achievement पे अपने आप को appreciate करो. If you are not appreciate, nobody is appreciating, you appreciate yourself. Okay, just give a gift to yourself. Okay, these are the different way to appreciate yourself. Okay, that will motivate you to do more and get the big goal. Okay, so these are all the things which we have discussed. So I will say these are the mistakes and how to avoid these mistakes. Okay, so there may be some more point you can add, but I will definitely say you have to have a proper study plan, proper time management, and don't fear with anything. Start preparing and definitely you are going to achieve whatever you want. Okay, आप जितना जल्दी स्टार्ट करेंगे आपको उतना जल्दी सक्सेस मिलेगा. इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग लेट, डेफिनेटली यू विल get the success late. Okay, now about the courses. If you are the second or the third year or you are appearing for the GATE 2022, so means you should opt for the Unacademy 2-year subscription. 1 month subscription is 5,000, but we are saying the 2-year subscription is only for the 6th time, which is cost is 30,000. Okay, and you will get a discount of 3,000, which is a 10%. We use my referral code. So definitely use my referral code. So you will get a test series of worth 1200 rupees additional with the 10% discount. And send me the proof on my WhatsApp ID or the Telegram ID. And this is my group on Telegram. So you can add yourself to this group. So you will get the notification about all these things. Okay. So I hope you find the lecture meaningful and that would be helpful for your preparation strategy. Okay. So thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to join us on Telegram ID and share it with your friend and like and comment if you want to know something more. And this is my Telegram ID. So this is all about the today's lecture. Thank you very much and best of luck for your examination.